Good morning, boys and girls. I would like to get to know you a little bit better. So, I have two activities that we're going to do together. The first one is a circle map about yourself. You're going to write your name in the very center circle, and within the bigger circle, words and phrases that define you. You can use pictures. In the frame, write the words that describe your feelings about this school year. Use the map to write a few paragraphs introducing yourself to me. I never ask anyone to do something I wouldn't do myself, so I actually made a sample in an effort to get you to know me a little bit better. So I used words and pictures that I feel describe me, and in the frame I used excited and nervous. My introductory paragraphs to you are: my name is Mr. Dioria. I have been teaching in Island Park since 2001. While I like reading, most of what I read these days are books my students are reading. Some students describe me as funny, but I'd rather be remembered for being creative or strict. TV is a big part of my life. Once I find a show that I like, I become kind of obsessed with it. Currently, I am hooked on RuPaul's Drag Race and The Walking Dead. I can talk about these shows for hours with anyone who will listen. Before the virus and distance learning, because of the virus and distance learning, I kind of have mixed feelings about this school year. I'm very excited to try different things this year, like digital notebooks and students taking their Chromebooks home, but I'm a little nervous because I don't know what to expect this year. The other activity is kind of a collage. I have several questions I'm going to ask you to answer. So you could delete the questions to save some room, and you can use the paint bucket to make each box a different color. You can change the font and the size of the box and the size of the writing so it looks neat. I completed my thoughts and feelings on the next page. You're going to delete my instructions when you're done. Before the pandemic, I loved school. I loved seeing my work friends every day. I enjoyed teaching, creating lessons, talking about books, organizing, color coding, post-its are some things that I really like doing. The best parts of the quarantine were no traffic, no after school meetings. I saved money on gas and lunch, no ties or work clothes. I had time to read books, was lucky enough to have a job when so many didn't, and I was able to catch up on a lot of home projects. Instead of reading the rest of this to you, I'm going to ask you to read it on your own, and then I'm going to ask you to try yours, and don't forget to hit the turn it in button when you're done. Good luck, guys.